The trade should be opened when the AI indicator gives the signal. I only open trades when I see the arrow sign here. I was opening trade yesterday. 2 of my TPs are hitting, and I can't close the rest. Will go down further. Watch gold show the AI up when the AI signals. In my gold, this signal, PRI close to 340 pips profit. I don't need to do any analysis with it, just do AI analysis. And make your own plan, depending on this. Hopefully we can go a long way with AI indicator members. May God bless you.